Hello, welcome to Mama Sue's Kitchen. Hope you're having a great day today. I'm in front of my stove because I'm going to be cooking on it. I'm going to make something that I had years ago that I always loved. I don't know how many of you people have a Shoney's or had a Shoney's. We don't have any around me in Alabama right now. There's one about 40 miles away. But I loved their strawberry pie. So I'm going to do a Copycat Shoney's strawberry pie. Now I have taken a deep dish pie shell and I have already cooked it and let it cool a little bit. So the only things that I'm going to do now is to take 1 cup of water. I'll go ahead and turn my stove on. 1 cup of granulated sugar. And 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm going to mix those together. There's 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to cook this on about 7. It really says medium heat, but I'm going to cook it until it begins to thicken. Now, I loved the Shoney's strawberry pie, and they had a hot fudge cake, but the strawberry pie was absolutely my favorite. And I already took my strawberries, and you're to take a pound of strawberries, and you can leave them whole if you would like, or if you want to cut them. Well, mine were so big until I cut some of them in fourths and some I just cut in halves. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour these in my pie shell. And if you remember, if you ever had a Shoney's, you know that they absolutely piled the dish, the strawberries into the crust. But I'm just going to stir this occasionally, and when it gets thick to where it's, sticks to the back of your pan, back of your spoon, I'm going to take it off of my stove eye, and I have measured out the recipe calls for 6 tablespoons of strawberry jello, and I wanted to see if that was going to be a whole box. It's not quite a whole box. My whole box was about 7. So I measured out 6 tablespoons of jello. And I'll add that when this thickens up. So really, you just have water, sugar, cornstarch, and the strawberry jello. And that's all. Now, when it starts to thicken up, I'll take it off and mix the strawberry jello in, and then I'll pour it on my strawberries, and you have to let it chill for about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and you can serve it with Cool Whip on top or whipped cream, or you don't even have to put anything. But it's so easy. and so delicious. And now is the season for strawberries. So get you some strawberries and a deep dish pie crust, or if you want to make your own, that's great. But I just wanted to do things very simple, and we'll turn that down because it's thickening up, you see? See there how thick it's getting? It doesn't take long. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. Take it off of my stove eye. I'm going to put the 6 tablespoons of strawberry jello in there, and I'm mixing it very good. Okay. And once it's mixed up, I'm going to pour it all over this pie. Oh my goodness. Harold strawberry pie from Shoney's. You remember? Some right here. I missed the back. Oh, y'all. Okay. Sure. This looks just like Shoney's strawberry pie. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for several hours and let it chill, and when I cut it, I'll be back. The pie stayed in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes. I took it out and I cut a piece out, and that's what it looks like. That's the Shoney's pie, the Copycat Shoney pie recipe. Now, if you want to put Cool Whip or whipped cream on it, you can. But for us, we like just the strawberry. But I wanted to show you how simple this is. It's easy. Strawberries are plentiful right now, so get you some strawberries, and you'll find this recipe on my website, which is MamaSue'sSouthernKitchen.com. The recipes are always there. Thank you so much for following me, and I'm going to remind you, if you'll share this and comment, you will, every time I do a video, it'll come up on your page. But if you don't comment, for some reason, they don't think you're watching me and you have to look for me. But anyway, I just want to thank you so much for following me, and I just want to tell you God is good. He wants us to be salt and light. Let others see Jesus in you as you go about every day. I'll be back soon.